YouTube? It's your boy Maine. First YouTube video, we're gonna do a shoe review of the Jordan 1 Court Purple. I'm in my kid's playroom, so that's why it looks like I'm in a fun house. But let's get to it. A little bit about me also. I love shoes. Wearing Jordans since I was 3-4 years old, for real. Mom told me first word was shoe. I look at shoes like art, so that's it. I just got a thing for shoes. I'm definitely not one of these with a million boxes behind me. You feel me? Just copping every fucking thing, but you know, to the average person, you know, I may have a lot of shoes, but compared to some of these other niggas, nowhere even close. So. But this might be something I might start doing, just with my little pickups here and there, and yeah, so let's do it. All right, pivots, box. Anyways, just a little shoey. All right, yeah, man. So I tried to go on to the sneakers app. And swear to God, I ain't never seen it in my life. Soon as the clock hit 10 o'clock, I was already there. I was already there at 9:55, 9:59. Waiting, coming soon. As soon as shit hit 10 o'clock, it sold out. It didn't say nothing else. It didn't even give me the option. And I was like, what the fuck? But I went over to Hibbett's, and it took me like 15, 17 minutes, but I thought there was no way I was going to be able to get that. But yeah, here we go. I know the Jordan 1 box, and receipt, you see there, order number, Hibbett's, blast out. I'm excited about these because one, I don't got no ones, and I really like this box, so I'm happy to kind of have this in my collection until I either sell these or keep them. I don't know. I originally got these as a resale, and they're not doing too good right now. A lot of people saying you should just hold on to them if you can. If not, whatever. I ain't decided. I don't wear my shoes every day, I'm not gonna lie. I got shoes that I've never worn. I got shoes that I've had for 3-4 years, only worn them a couple times. So I'm on the fence. As of right now, I know I'm not gonna be wearing them no time soon, so I'm gonna throw them in the closet with everything else. But boom, here you go. Jordan Court 1. I said Court 1. Jordan 1 Court Purple. Shit. I mean, they clean to me. I'm not gonna lie. I like them. Extra laces. Obviously, I don't think I would put these in here. If I do keep these, I'm probably gonna go with the white. You feel me? But let me get the other one. So, Jordan 1 Court Purple. I think they're clean. Unless these prices go up to where I'm at least making $100 on it, I'm probably gonna keep it. I'm just gonna be honest with myself. I didn't buy it with that intention, but I'm starting to see a lot of pictures. Some nice little, you know what I'm saying, some blue jeans. Really can't go wrong. You don't gotta necessarily wear purple to wear these either, so I like them. I like the ones. I just never, I don't know. The ones that do come out that I do want, they're fucking hype. I just take L's on them. But like I said, it took me about 18 minutes, but I was able to secure these. Feel me? So of course, I like the purple. Unlike the other ones, and the leather, people have been saying like this ain't the best leather. I don't think it is the best leather, but it's not bad either. It's pretty dope. I feel like the midsole area where the white is here definitely is a little better. The Nike swoosh has a higher grade of leather on them. A lot of people don't like this leather tab up here because that's just not how it was naturally. I don't have a problem with that. Like, I don't know. The shoes, it's a dope shoe. That's all I'm gonna say. It's a dope shoe. Like I said, I'm most likely gonna keep this. May try some kind of Kobe type shit with it. Switch out them white laces. And these do have the classic colorway pattern with the white toe box and the white mid too, which is also I think that's a dope thing about these rather than the ones from was it last year that had the black here and purple here, I believe. So yeah, these is a cool shoe, bro. Shit. Some real stuff, man. Just if you like the video, again, this is my first shoe review. Grab the light, grab my computer, and grab the shoes. But I can definitely hit y'all with some more content. I got plenty of shoes, more on the come. I got some I'm trying to cop. Them Yeezys come out this weekend, which would be the 18th. Those linen Yeezys. We got the 6s, them black and gold 6s, and them fire red 5s. I'm trying to get all those. Hopefully, I can get some of those and review them too. And triple black Fear Gods for sure. I want them. I was able to get the bone. I accidentally ordered them in the wrong size, so I ended up selling my pair on StockX. I was kind of mad about that. I ordered a 9, which was blessing in disguise because those was going for the highest at the time. So, but I wanted to keep my Fear God. So, again, so you know, like the video, hit that thumbs up, give a notification. You know, it's my first video, but still, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. Honest, I'm not a hype beast. If I like a shoe, I like it. I don't just buy one thing. I buy multiple different shoes. You know what I'm saying? I don't care about what the name is, what the brand is, who it is, how much it costs. Anyways, one love. I may give y'all on feet. I don't know. Like I said, I don't plan on wearing these. I still may sell them. And if I sell my shoes, I sell them as brand new. Much love. Out.